Problems on Brayton cycle. Write down the problem. Air enters the compressor. Air enters the compressor of a turbine. Air enters the compressor of a turbine plant. Turbine plant operating on Brayton cycle. Operating on Brayton cycle at 101.325 kilopascal. 101.325 kilopascals, comma 27 degrees Celsius. And the pressure ratio in the cycle. And the pressure ratio in the cycle. And the pressure ratio in the cycle being 6. The pressure ratio in the cycle being 6. Full stop. If the turbine work equals to 2.5 times the turbine work equals 2.5 times the compressor work. 2.5 times the compressor work, comma, determine the maximum temperature in the cycle. Determine the maximum temperature in the cycle and the cycle efficiency. And the cycle efficiency. Full stop. Take Cp equals 1.005 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. Kilojoules per kg Kelvin. That is the specific heat of air. That is the specific heat of air Brayton cycle. Finished alla barkondidralla problem na?
Yes, sir.
So now according to that, I am writing PV diagram. PV diagram. Write P versus V diagram. This is pressure. This is volume. Brayton cycle, 2 constant pressures and 2 adiabatic compressions. Take this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. You tell me what is 1 to 2 here? What is 1 to 2? Compression. Compression. And 3 to 4?
Expansion.
turbine expansion. Okay, and 2 to 3.
Constant pressure heat addition for
Heat addition. And 1 to 4, sir, 4 to 1.
heat
Heat
rejection.
rejection. And I'll write one dotted line now. You tell me what is the meaning of this one. What is the meaning of this one? ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅದು? It is a constant pressure line, 2 to 3 and 1 to 4. So only it is P1 is equal to P4 and P2 is equal to P3. Understand? And given data, now you tell me what is the value of RP? Problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
6 sir.
What is RP means? P2 by P1. What is the value? 6. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ. And what is that? 101.325 kilopascals.
Pressure.
What pressure? Air enters the compressor of a turbine plant operating on Brayton cycle at. What is the meaning of that? Whether it is P1 or P2?
P1 sir, because
Entry. This is P1. We know P1 is equal to P4. So what is that? 101.325 kilopascals. And what is the temperature here?
27 degrees.
What is that? Whether T1, T2, T3 or T4? The problem ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Air enters the compressor of a turbine plant operating on Brayton cycle at 101.325, 27 degrees C. That is T1. Okay. I'll write TS diagram also. Temperature versus entropy diagram. This is TS diagram. 1 to 2, 3 and 4. QS, QR. This is WC and this is WT. You know the meaning of QS, QR, WC and WT, right?
Yes sir.
This is T1. T1 is equal to 27 degrees C. If you want to write in Kelvin value T1 ಎಷ್ಟು? T1 is 27 degrees C. What is the Kelvin value in terms of Kelvin? ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ.
Sir, 300 Kelvin, sir.
300
Kelvin.
Kelvin. Okay. This is the given data. This is the given data. And one more condition is given in the problem. The pressure ratio is given if the turbine works equals to 2.5 times the compressor work. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? WT equals 2.5 times WC. Is it correct?
Yes sir.
That is a given value. And now CP value is given. You can write down CP. What is the gamma value? So problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ gamma value ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Cp is 101.0005 kilojoules per kg Kelvin and gamma is equal to 1.4. ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Take this value, gamma value. You tell me in TS diagram which is the maximum temperature? TS diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ which is the maximum temperature, whether T1, T2 or T3 or T4.
T3 sir.
T3 exactly.
3.
Because this is higher temperature. What we have to find out? Determine the maximum temperature in the cycle and the cycle efficiency. Which is the maximum temperature here? T3. Right? Correct allapa?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Now answer. What is the turbine work? WT is equal to WT ಏನಪ್ಪ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ?
Cp into T3 minus T4.
T3 minus T4 because T3 is greater than T4. Am I right? And by given data, WT is equal to 2.5 times of compressor work. We know this one. Now in place of WT, I can substitute 2.5 times of WC. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 2.5 times of WC equals Cp into T3 minus T4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Any doubt in this one? ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯೇನಪ್ಪ?
No, sir.
ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? 2.5 times of WC. So this is the WT value. This is given in the problem. This 2.5 WC I have substituted for WT. So ಅದೇ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇದು, ಅದನ್ನ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And now to find T2, T3 and T4, we have to find out all these values because we want these values to be find out compressor work and turbine work and efficiency. And from process 1 to 2, how will you write process 1 to 2 in terms of temperature and pressure? ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
T2 by T1 is equal to RP power minus 1 by gamma.
T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 to the power gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. Right? And now what T2 value ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ನಮಗೆ? We don't know T2 value. And what is the T1 value?
300 Kelvin.
300. What is the ratio of pressure? P2 by P1? 6. Can you solve this to find out T2? You tell me what is the value of T2? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು.
500.5 Kelvin.
Hmm?
500.5 Kelvin.
500.5
Five.
Kelvin. Yeah, correct. Correct. Now WT is equal to 2.5 times of compressor work. So we know WT value. What is that? 2.5 W. So adu beda, you do one thing. I'll tell in different form. WT ನಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You tell me compressor work now. CP into ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಪ್ಪ compressor work? T2 minus T1. We can find out WT now because we know CP value, we know T2 value, we know T1 value. We can find out WT. Compressor, sorry, turbine work we can find out. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ? 503.8. Yes, correct. ಈ T2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಅವಾಗಲೇ?
500.5.
500.5 Kelvin. This one? This is 503.8 Kelvin. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Now process 3 to 4 tell me process 3 to 4 how to write to find out T3 and T4. T3 by T4 equals P3 by P4 to the power gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇವಾಗ? Tell me next step. How will you write? Next step ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? What is P3 is equal to here? P2. And what is P4 is equal to? P1. You can substitute these values in the above equation. T3